Have you ever had an amazing content idea, but gave up because making the video felt like way too much work? Writing the script, finding stock footage, editing every single clip, adding captions, and repeating the whole process for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook? What if AI could turn your text into a complete social media video in just minutes? Today, I'm showing you one of the easiest AI text-to-video generators that can help you create eye-catching social media content faster than ever. Let's jump right in. Today, we're using RecCloud AI text-to-video. Instead of manually editing videos, you simply describe what you want. The AI automatically creates scenes, finds matching visuals, adds transitions, and builds an engaging video based on your text. Let's see how powerful it really is. For our first example, let's create a video for an AI tools page. Here's the prompt I'll use. Create a social media video explaining 3 AI tools every student should know. Use a modern technology style with animated text, productivity visuals, student studying, laptops, clean motion graphics, and energetic transitions. Now click Generate. Watch what happens. Within moments, the AI starts building an entire storyboard. It automatically selects relevant stock footage, matches visuals with the script, creates smooth transitions, and generates a polished short-form video.
Are you drowning in school assignments? Here are 3 game-changing AI tools that will save you hours of work. First up is Note an AI. It acts as your personalized study assistant, summarizing lectures, generating study guides, and organizing your notes in seconds. Next,
No
check out
dragging footage
Quillbot, a
into an
powerful
editor.
writing companion
No
that helps
spending
with narrate
hours arranging
essays, fix
scenes.
grammar, and
Now
improve
you've
your
got a
flow.
video ready for
Finally, use
YouTube Shorts,
Concepts. This search
Instagram
engine
Reels,
uses AI to
TikTok,
instantly find
or
answers to scientific
Facebook.
questions backed by
Let's try
peer-reviewed
something completely
research.
different.
Save the
This time, we're creating a promotional video. Here's the prompt. Generate a social media advertisement for a new coffee shop. Show cozy interiors, freshly brewed coffee, smiling customers, warm lighting, cinematic close-up shots, modern typography, and smooth camera movements. Generate. Immediately, you'll notice something interesting. The AI completely changes the visual style, the atmosphere, the colors, the pacing. Everything matches the new prompt. One prompt, one click, an entirely different social media video. That's incredibly useful for businesses, marketers, and creators who need multiple videos every week. One thing I really like about this workflow is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need advanced editing skills, you don't need expensive software, and you definitely don't need to spend hours collecting stock footage. Just write your idea, generate the video, customize the scenes if you want, then export it for your favorite social media platform. It's faster, it's easier, and it saves an incredible amount of time. If you're serious about creating more content without spending more time editing, AI text-to-video is definitely worth trying. Whether you're a creator, a small business owner, a marketer, or a social media manager, this tool can seriously speed up your content workflow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tools, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.